I always use my heart to build people because
you use your heart.
Use my heart.
All right.
When I use my heart, I feel that I can keep going, and I will. It's not easy for me to give up. Okay, because I understand building people is actually not easy. Yeah, because there are people who wants to be successful, the ones who doesn't, too many complaints, too many alasan kan. But I have this thing inside me that I will never. I don't easily give up on people. I believe that dia cakap macam tu atau dia tak datang because dia masih tak faham. So bila I continue going back to the same person and saying that the same old thing, lama-lama I believe it's all about timing. So when I percaya, I'm a believer that as long as you go ada usaha, when there's hard work from ourselves, orang tu nak jadi tak jadi itu rezeki. Right? So yang penting you keep going, buat benda yang betul. So buat benda betul is by far the most amazing thing, because sometimes it will be too easy for you to give up, or it's too easy for you to just give up satu, lepas tu kita pop up lah, contoh for example kan, sebab itu yang paling senang untuk ni kan. You tak nak pergi jump down dan bina deadline. All you need is actually hard work untuk you pergi jump down dan pergi buat, betul tak? Tapi sebab kenapa you malas, paling senang you just top up sajalah untuk bagi deadline jadi, betul tak? So sebenarnya dia tu tak kekal lama kan. Exactly. So dia back to your own self. Kalau you betul-betul pegang 3H tu, I dah RCCA pun I still buka line baru, bina new ambassador. Walaupun I dah 5 orang RCCA, tapi I still bina 139 baru lagi in this part, that line kan. Because kenapa? I nampak potensi orang tu, and I tahu orang tu dia kadang-kadang I tengok my downline kan, dia tu macam I kan, datang daripada broken family, dia ada anak, husband dia macam ni, ada hutang. Sama, kita ni semua sama. So bila I yakin diorang sama, I akan teringat I dulu pun macam tu. Bayangkan kalau my upline give up on me awal-awal, I tak boleh bayangkan kan. So I sangat berterima kasih, sangat bersyukur, dan I will repay back pada orang lain macam tu. So ini adalah sangat penting, you keep going, never give up. Never give up.
Okay. I tanya